Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Meteora token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Meteora is a decentralized exchange built on Solana, focused on delivering a secure, sustainable and composable liquidity infrastructure for the Solana ecosystem and the broader DeFi space. It stands out with innovative features such as DLMM pools, dynamic AMM pools, and dynamic vaults, all designed to enhance liquidity efficiency and maximize yield generation for users. Meteora token total supply is 997.73 million and circulating supply is around 177.73 million MED token. MED token is listed on Binance, Coinbase, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.